Are you looking for a place to store your car collection or your RV? Look no further because I found the perfect solution. Nestled in highly desirable West Evergreen, this newly built garage accompanies an impressive 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath updated home that's just minutes away from hiking, biking, shopping, and schools. This newly constructed $100,000 garage is perfect for the car collector and for the oversized RV. Equipped with electrical and large doors, your needs are covered. The open floor plan invites you to cozy up by the gas stone stacked fireplace or enjoy a meal in the updated chef's kitchen. Walk out to the newly installed multi-level Trex deck that opens up to just over an acre of privacy and serenity. The updated suite features newer windows and a zero-entry shower, new counters, and wood cabinet. On the same level are 2 oversized additional bedrooms and a shared bath. The finished lower level is a sanctuary of its own, with an additional bedroom and bath, a new gas fireplace, an oversized living space, and walkout access to a fenced yard. Pride of ownership is evident with custom upgrades and meticulous maintenance. I'm Claudine Phillips with the Phillips team. Come tour this incredible property with me.